How are you all?
Mom.
Better let everybody join. Wait for 2 minutes. Let everyone
Okay,
join.
mom. Ma'am.
Good morning.
Good
Good
morning,
morning.
mom.
Good morning.
How are you, ma'am?
I am fine. How are you?
How are you, ma'am? Yes, ma'am.
Give
How
me a
are you,
minute.
ma'am?
I am fine, beta. Thank you.
Send me the English worksheet. Ma'am.
Hmm.
Ma'am, please send me the English worksheet.
Hello.
Ma'am,
Yes.
please. Ma'am, please send me the English worksheet.
Beta, good morning to everyone. Because a lot of disturbances coming in between. Agrima is saying something. All of you stay muted. Let me listen what she's saying. Yes, Agrima.
Apurva
Yeah.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Good morning.
How come we shifted to
Good
Zoom right
morning,
now?
ma'am.
Good morning.
Ma'am, please send me the English worksheet.
Beta, what sort of English worksheet? I don't. Which worksheet you are talking about? Which worksheet?
Yes.
Sorry.
Agrima, call Apurva ma'am after the class. Beta, let's not waste
Yeah.
time.
Call me after this. Yes. Yeah, ma'am. You were saying something.
Okay,
I'm saying,
ma'am.
how did we shift to Zoom right now?
Hello.
Morning, ma'am.
We took the last class on Google. How did we shift to Zoom right now?
Yeah, because there a lot of connectivity issue was coming, ma'am.
Okay. Chalo, continue. Don't waste time, children.
Okay. So I am going to first first and foremost rule of the class is you all will stay muted until or unless I ask you to unmute or you have any doubt. Till then, please don't unmute yourself because many voices, when come together, they create a lot of disturbance. And for me, it is not possible to, solve those disturbance in the class which is going on. So please try to understand very carefully what I'm going to teach you today. By chance you feel like that you have doubt or something, do let me know. I'll re-explain you those things. Okay. So now look here. I'm going to show you something. Okay. So you can see I have written a topic over here, and the name of the topic is addition. What is the name? Addition. So now what does addition means? Addition means when you join two things together to bring out something new. Okay. When we do addition, there's a sign used for adding things. There's a sign, and the sign is named as plus sign. इसको क्या बोलते हैं? This is plus sign. Okay. The name of the sign is plus sign or addition sign. You can say both things. Both are fine. You can say it as plus sign also, and you can call it as addition sign also. Okay, you all can make this with your fingers also. Can you make this? Show me if you can make this with the help of your fingers. Anyone? Anyone can make? Okay, very good, Priyal. Very well tried. Very nice. Anyone else? Very good, Agrima. Very good. Very good. Very good. Very good, Prakash. Very good, Aradhya. Very nice. So, very nice, Harsh. So, this is the sign of addition. Okay. All of you remember this is the sign of addition. Okay. When we add two things, then we have certain answers. Okay. So, I'm going to show you some examples over here. So, at first, I have few pebbles. So, if you can see, here I'm keeping two pebbles. Okay, and these pebbles are of red color. So how many pebbles are there?
Ma'am.
1 and 2. Okay,
Two.
there are two pebbles. There are two pebbles, and then I have marked the sign of addition in between. And now I'm going to keep one more over here. Okay, so now this is there
Okay,
are
ma'am.
two over here of red color and one pebble of yellow color. Can you all see? Just mark hand, put your hands up or mark something. Mark a smiley, send me a smiley, whatever you feel like. Or raise your hands up or show me thumbs up so that I can understand that you people are getting what I'm saying. Okay. So as you all can see, I have kept two red pebbles this side, 1 and 2. And I have put a sign in between and the sign is of addition. And then I have put one yellow pebble over here. Okay. Now there is one more sign which I am keeping over here, and this sign is
Equals
known
to.
as equal to. What is the name of the
Equal
sign?
to.
Equal to. Are you all getting?
Equal to.
Yes.
Okay,
The
ma'am.
name of the sign is equal to. So now one by one I will ask from everyone. Don't feel panic that you are not getting the chance or your chance is coming late. I will come to everyone. Okay. So at first I would like to start with Pratyay. Pratyay, unmute.
Yes, ma'am.
Pratyay, how many pebbles are here?
Two.
And here?
One.
So if we are going to add these two, अगर मैंने join कर दे तो कितनी pebbles हो जाएंगी all total? Count and tell.
Three, ma'am.
3. Count 1, 2 and
Three.
3. So the answer will come as 3 pebbles. Can you all see? I have kept 3 pebbles. So if I am going to add 2 red and 1 yellow pebble, I am going to get 3 blue pebbles. Understood? Yes? Yes or no? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Next is the turn of Aradhya. Aradhya, how many red pebbles are here? Aradhya, how many red pebbles?
Ma'am.
3. Okay. Pratyay, mute yourself. Pratyay, mute picture. I have muted everyone. Only Aradhya will stay unmuted. Rest of you, please stay muted. Aradhya, unmute. Aradhya, unmute, बच्चे. Give me a minute. I will only unmute you because I guess you're not able to. Aradhya, unmute. Unmute करिए. Unmute yourself. Aradhya, call mama or papa. They'll help you. Call anyone. Ask them to unmute. Okay.
Done, ma'am.
Aradhya, how many red pebbles are here? Count and tell how. 3. Okay. And how many yellow pebbles?
One, ma'am.
1. So if we join together, if we count them together, can you tell how many total pebbles are there? Like 1, 2, 3, and then this also count with this and tell how many pebbles are there?
1, 2, 3, 4.
So
4,
there are
ma'am.
4 pebbles. So
4.
I'm going to keep just Aradhya, just check. Am I keeping correctly? 1. Aradhya, count. 1.
1,
Then this 2.
3, 4.
Is this fine?
4.
Is this fine? Is this correct?
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Very good. Very good. Okay. Prakash, Aradhya mute कर लीजिए. Prakash,
Yes, ma'am.
please count red pebbles. How many red
1,
pebbles are there?
4.
4. Okay. And how many yellow pebbles?
1.
1. So when we count these pebbles together, when we count red pebbles and yellow
5.
pebbles together, how many? 5.
5.
Okay. So you will count with me. Count. 1.
1,
Then
2,
yes.
3,
Yes.
4, 4,
Yes.
5.
Yes. So now there are 5 pebbles, which means when we add 4 red pebbles along with 1 yellow pebble, then we get 5 pebbles. That means 4 plus 1 is 5. Okay. Prakash, understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Raghav, unmute. Raghav, unmute.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Raghav, please count. How many red pebbles are here? Count.
Ma'am, 5.
5. Have you counted? I am putting fingers. Just count. 1,
1,
2,
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Very good. And how many yellow pebbles?
1.
1. So when 5 red and 1 yellow is put together, how much you will get? Please tell me. Count these together.
1 year.
अभी ये रेड पेबल्स हैं, इनके साथ मैं इस येलो वाली को मिक्स कर दूंगी. देन हाउ मेनी आर देयर?
5 में से बन गया 4.
नहीं, no, we are studying addition, please. Raghav, look here. These are red pebbles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These are 5 red pebbles. Now I am putting 1 yellow also here. So now all total, how many pebbles are there? Count. Raghav, count. 1,
1, 2, 3. 1, 2,
1, 2, 3. Then after 3, 4.
4, 5.
Then 6. Very good. So which means when you put 5 red pebbles and 1 yellow pebble together, you get 6. Okay. Now Raghav will count. Raghav, count. 1. Yes.
1,
Then
2,
yes. Yes.
3,
Yes.
4,
Very
5.
good. So is this
6.
correct? ये सही है? Is this correct?
No.
It is not correct. अभी तो हमने count किया था. It was correct.
Correct,
Yeah,
ma'am.
very good, very good. Thank you, Raghav. Thanks a lot. Okay. Next is Harsh. Harsh, unmute. Harsh,
No, ma'am.
unmute.
Well,
Okay, Harsh. Now look here. Harsh, how
yes,
many
ma'am.
red pebbles are there? How many red pebbles are there?
1,
1. Okay. Now how many yellow pebbles are there?
2,
2. So when you put 1 red and 2 yellow together, how many it becomes? If we put 1 red and 2 yellow like this, if we put 1 red and 2 yellow together, what will be the answer? Harsh?
3,
3. Very good. So count here with me. Count.
1,
1.
2,
And then this
3.
3. Is this correct? Is this correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Very nice. Very nice. Okay. Thank you, Harsh. Now next. Next is Ahan. Ahan, how many red pebbles are here?
1,
1. Okay. And how many yellow pebbles are here?
3,
3. So if we put 1 red and 3 yellow together, what will be the answer?
4,
4. So please count with me.
1, 2,
Yeah.
3,
Yes.
and 4.
Very good. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Very good.
4.
So is this the correct formation? Is this correct?
Yes.
Okay.
Purva ma'am,
Yeah, ma'am.
can I change your example? Can we take a quick test with them, like with different example?
Yeah, we can do that also, but you can ask them. No issues. Please ask.
Okay, so you will decide whom should I ask first.
Real. Because I'm not answered anything right now.
Okay, Priyal. So look here. How many pencils are these?
Ma'am, 3.
Okay, so now if we add one more pencil, then how many becomes?
Ma'am, 4.
Very good.
Apurva ma'am, is it right?
Yeah, it is right. Perfectly correct.
Very good, Priyal. So anybody else, Apurva ma'am?
Now, ma'am, you can ask to Agrima.
Agrima, unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
How many pencils are these?
Ma'am, 7. Ma'am, 2. Ma'am, 2.
Two more then. Agrima, if I add two more, then perfect. Apurva ma'am, I think the concept is clear to them.
Yeah. Children, have you understood?
Ma'am,
Have you understood? I'm asking. Please unmute yourself and answer. Have you understood?
Agrima and everybody, it's a request. Can you please sit smartly? This is a class, okay? This is a class. You have to sit smartly. Don't think that you're sitting at home. How do you sit in your classrooms? How do you sit? Like, see, Apurva ma'am, am I lying down on a bed, or are we jumping in the classroom? Sit straight. When you yawn, you put your hands while you yawn, okay? When you sneeze, you put your hands while you sneeze. This is your classroom. See, Apurva ma'am is putting her hands while she's coughing.
Children, have you understood? Please unmute and tell me. Have you all understood?
Ma'am.
Yes, beta.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Agrima. What happened?
Ma'am, I'm sorry.
Say Ali. Tell beta what happened. May I ma'am ask Sayali also? She's left.
All right. I'll ask. Sayali, are you there?
She's there.
Okay, so I will make a different pattern for Sayali. Sayali, can you see here how many brushes are these?
Ma'am, just show me.
How many brushes are these?
Ma'am.
Yes?
Can you see me not? Ma'am.
Sayali, how
Ali.
many brushes are these?
Network issues coming, ma'am. Neha ma'am. Neha ma'am.
Apurva, I think my network is lost.
I understand. I can see that. Okay, children, listen to me. First, listen to me very carefully. Now, I will send you homework for English and maths. I will send you the work which you have to do in classwork copy of English and maths. मैं आपको अभी वो work I'll send you before 2. Okay, I'll send it to you before 2 p.m. Please make sure that you complete that work today only and you send it back to me. Please don't keep that work for tomorrow. It would be a very simple work. Just complete it today. Sorry.
Work is minus.
Huh?
Subtraction.
It was addition.
Ma'am, work is subtraction.
Maybe. There's some network issue. I'll send you the work. You complete it in your notebooks and send it back to me so that I can check that work and I can reward you today itself.
Okay,
Don't keep
ma'am.
your work tomorrow. Complete your work in English and maths today only. I will send it to you within an hour or two and then you complete it, okay? See you all tomorrow. Bye-bye.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, children.
Bye, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.